Okay, paint trees.
Anong ano?
Alin?
Wala silang pampakit.
Wala pa. Galing oh. Galing oh. Happy yarn oh. Oh, tingin ka nga kay mama. Wow.
What are you painting, Yaya?
Abstract. Ang kanyang inspiration. Nature. Yes. And then rooster. You know, rooster. Where's rooster? Bak-bak manak.
Wow, I like your painting.
Galing oh. Galing.
Kala ko may pattern eh.
Siya. Abstract niya. Galing.